Oh my God.
This opening right here is not part of the original tomb, okay? This was punched open either by archaeologists or robbers. So when you come in here, I want you to notice, first of all, of course, the rolling stone, but also this trough that's down here. So that the rolling stone rolls over and then it drops into that trough. So it's much easier to roll it into that trough than to roll it up and out of that trough. Okay, and then the other thing I want you to notice as you look in here is you're going to see niches. These niches, these are called kohim, but it doesn't matter, just call it a niche. Okay, and what they are is they're for putting a dead body inside of, and then you put a rock seal, you seal the niche, and then the body decomposes into bones. And these niches are only used during the time that they're using these ossuaries, which are these limestone bone boxes, which are the size of your femur. Okay, and so what you do is you put the body in the niche, decomposes over about a year. Come in then with the ossuary and collect the bones and put it in the ossuary. You might put the ossuary back in the niche, or you might put it somewhere else in the tomb. So these ossuaries and these tombs with these niches that are used in this style are only in use from 37 BC, Herod the Great, until 70 AD, construction by the Romans. So if you see, and so Michel, he saw this tomb, he looked at it, he goes, oh, this is from the time of Jesus. This is from, and what does he mean by that? He says, well, he knows it's in that narrow window of time. I would like to connect this site that we're standing at right now to the first site that we visited today, okay, which was the harbor at Joppa. Remember what happened? Jonah took off disobeying God, not going up to Nineveh, got swallowed by a fish. So I'm going to start reading in verse 38, Matthew chapter 12, verse 38. You ready for this? Yeah. Then some of the Pharisees and teachers of the law said to him, Teacher, we want to see a sign from you. Now he's talking to the Jews, his fellow Jews of his generation, right? He answered, verse 39, a wicked and adulterous generation asks for a sign, but none will be given it, except the sign of the prophet Jonah. For as Jonah was 3 days and 3 nights in the belly of a huge fish, so the Son of Man will be 3 days and 3 nights in the heart of the earth. You see this fish that we're standing next to right here? The belly of the fish, Jesus, the belly of the earth. The men of Nineveh will stand up at the judgment with this generation and condemn it. They repented at the preaching of Jonah. And now something greater than Jonah is here.